Right guys, I just want to start off this review by saying a huge thanks to Uben for sending me this incredible tool. It's so generous, honest, unbelievable. Blown away by that, guys. It's a C2 Powerbank Flashlight. I'll put the link down below for this and other Uben products in the description, okay? Do us a favour and check them out. I think you will be pretty impressed. I also want to add, I was sent this item over a month ago, so I have been using it consistently at work, at home, bankside, that's fishing too, some of you guys. I've used it as a bivvy light. I'll come back to that later, okay? I've also taken it out camping. Although I do stealth camping, I did take it out camping, and I'll also come back to that later. So I haven't just unboxed it to get a quick video out, guys, right? I really wanted to put it through its paces. Let's take a look then. So this is a C2 model, okay? It's got some really cool features on it. It's really rugged as well, as you can see. Really rugged. I like the look on it. Spectacular, fair play. So let's start with probably the most important point, okay? It's price. So this one here, the C2 model, it comes in at £35. That'll be in the link down below, okay? Next important factor is weight, which I think is an important factor anyway. It comes in at 6.5 ounces, okay guys? That's with the battery. The battery is 4800 milliamp. It also accepts lower milliamp batteries, okay, so you can always have a spare, you know. They'll also be in the link down below, in the Uben link. So try your best to use the Uben batteries, okay guys? They can be purchased on the website. Talking of the battery, right, when you first get it, remember to take the, what's it called, hold on, it'll come to me now, the insulation plate off, okay? So the insulation plate is just under there. It comes on top of the battery there. You just pull that off before you use it, okay? So there's the battery now, 4800 milliamp, okay? Put back on. It's got a retaining spring airlock. There you go. I've already shown this product before this review to my friend Nigel Sullivan, okay, from back home where I live, Merthyr. Great mate of mine, and I've shown it to him at home. I took it over to his house to show him when he first received it. I showed him all his features and he was blown away. So we've already sent off and ordered one. He was that impressed, okay? Let's have a look at the power bank features, guys. So it comes with a cable with a type C and A ports, okay? And they go in there, look. There's a little rubber tab there. And that's where you charge it up or use it as a power bank, okay? So it's a dual purpose product, which if you watch my channel, you know I'm a massive fan of using such products. You're going to get ample power out of 4800 milliamps, guys. To be honest, you know, for things such as your mobile phones or tablets, or other electronic devices you take out on the bank with you, or fishing or at work. And another super feature that guys are going to mention is it's really quick charging, which is a massive plus. It's definitely a torch with attitude, I'd say. I can vouch for this myself. So it's got a 2000 lumens output on the turbo setting, and it's affected up to 300 meters, which is absolutely well, blow your mind out. I'll show. I'm going to put a snippet up, a video clip which I took whilst at work during the dark hours. I'll put that up for you and it will blow you away. I'll also put a clip up of out when I was camping, okay? It's really great for my profession, which is security, and I would say it's great for also the police force and the prison services You know, you can also purchase a really cool holster. It's in black as well. That comes in black, so you know, we'll go with the uniform, and that's also on the website, which will be down below. It's got this really sturdy clip on the side, guys. That's the lanyard there. That comes with it as well as the cable. Yeah, so there's a lanyard, and it comes with this really cool clip here. I was really impressed with how deep it is. You know, you can clip it onto your belt or onto your burger, maybe, perhaps. Maybe, I don't know about that one, but onto your backpack, whatever, innit? It's fantastic for EDC, which stands for Everyday Carry, if you didn't already know. Yeah. It's waterproof, guys. It's also waterproof, as you probably can tell by the look of it. Yeah, it's waterproof. It's up to a depth of 200 meters, which is, you know, that's a long way down, guys. Up to 1 hour. So if it's just up on the surface, you know, when it's raining and things, you're not gonna have no issues at all. Right then, guys. So I'm just gonna go through your settings now, right? So there's the breathing light there, look. That tells you how much battery power you got, okay? See that blue light there, W for whooping. So there you go. Says eco. There's low. There's high. There's turbo. See? So that's really powerful. So there's 2000 lumens there, okay? So I can show you the strobe light now, okay? So that's your strobe setting. I'm going to show you SOS next. There you go. That was your SOS, okay? So that's brilliant for signalling. So there's your settings, guys. Just go and talk a bit more about it. So let's examine the settings. One cool feature is that it's got an LED light there. Can you see it? There you go. So, you know, you can always find it in the dark in your pack. It's also got a breathing light on as well, and that's also an indicator of your battery, okay, guys? It goes red when it's quite low, you know. So that's an awesome feature there. It's a single on-off operation. Can't see in here because it's already light, but you can see it on the video clip I put up, okay? It's got an eco mode on here. It's got a low mode on here. It's got a medium mode, high mode, and for your signaling, guys, it's got a strobe mode, which is good for disorientation. I can't say it, disorientation. So no, it's great for your security, because I will send someone in a panic. So it's got an SOS mode, which is awesome in there for your signaling if you're in trouble, like. And as I said, it's got the turbo mode on it, okay? It's effective, and the turbo mode, I'll say it again, is 2000 lumens, and it's effective up to 300 meters, which is outstanding. With the strobe and SOS modes, guys, it's a simple double clip, okay? Double click. Don't know if you can see that. So that's the strobe. And there's SOS, can you see that? And strobe. And to knock it off, it's just a single click, okay? So that's that feature there. And to access the, in my opinion, the brilliant turbo mode, it's a quick double click. So it's really quick. Sorry, that's strobe. The torch on. That's the turbo mode there. That's 2000 lumens there, guys. Amazing. And then one click to knock it off, okay? It's got a lock mode on here, so it doesn't go off by accident and drain the battery. Another bit of information on batteries, guys, right? And this is something I always do. When you torch or any other battery operated piece of kit isn't in use, always I'd always recommend to remove the batteries, okay, because it will drain slightly, see? So when you're using it out on the bank, guys, as a bivvy light, it's got a flat edge here, look. So you just put it on your bivvy table. Hang on. And you got your uplight there, which in any bivvy that will just illuminate everything, you know, for you tying your rigs and your cooking and things, okay? So that's what I'll be doing the next time I go out night fishing. I'll be using it as a bivvy light. So there's another feature over there. So there it is, the Woburn C2 Powerbank Flashlight. Really impressed with this, guys. As I say, I put it through the paces, as you can tell by the box. Okay, I really put it through its paces. I haven't just bunged the video up for you, alright? I've tested it. That's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to test the products before chucking the videos out, okay? So it's brilliant. So I'll definitely be using this every, I wouldn't say day, I'll say night, okay? As I say, in work, on the bank, at home, and camping, okay? I hope you check out Woburn, guys. Link will be down below in the description. And thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It'd help me out enormously. And as you know, it's free to subscribe, okay? So press subscribe, guys. I'd be really grateful for that. That'd be awesome. Take care of yourselves, guys, and I'll see you soon.